Should it ever become necessary to replace the tilter, which is this black assembly that you're looking at attached to the bottom of the lectern's desktop, replacing the tilter is a straightforward and simple operation if you know what to do. The first thing that we want to do right now is we want to detach all hardware. There, we'll start with the large knob that secures the podium to the tripod. We're going to unscrew that, and there is a receiving nut on the other end. There they both are. You can take them out. If you can't get the nut out very easily, just poke it out. Use the bolt as a poker, and it will remove the nut securely and quickly. So there's the small knob. They've both been removed. Now at this point we have exactly what we want. We have the raw tilter with no hardware in there to detract us. Okay? Notice that we have the lectern's desktop on its side, and show where the book stop is. There we have it. The book stop is away. We have the lecterns on its side. Now let's examine this D-shaped handle first that's underneath the desktop. Look at how it goes from wide to almost nothing. Do you see this slim spot where the D handle drifts and it loses its volume? Now that's the key to get this lectern tilter out of there. Alright, we're going to go downward. There we go. We're at the bottom now of the D, and we're going to flip it out. There we go. Hold that up because we want to show that that tilter is not even damaged at all in that process. Now the tilter you may be removing from yours could be damaged, but it makes no difference. They all come out the same way. Okay, now replacing the tilter with a new one. Once again, we're going to use the exact same tilter, but we're going to take out the same hardware from it that we just did when we removed that one. So we want to remove this hardware. We're going to start with the tilter, and what's important here is that the knob section, let's see the tilter right here. We can see that if we could scoot it forward to get some more light on it, there, you can see how that's the back end of it because it's octagon shaped, and that will receive the nut. And let's go look at the other side. That's perfectly round. That will receive right here, this knob. Or, in the other case, the little knob. So what we want to do, we want to have the side that accepts the knob to be pointed toward the audience. We're going to attach it to the thin area at the top of the D. There it is, snapped right on. We're going to reattach the hardware, and that's it. You've just seen us remove the tilter and install a brand new one in less than 5 minutes. It's a tricky little process. You may have to get used to it. Do a couple trial runs. Don't overexert yourself. Don't force anything, because there's a natural sequence that will cause this item, this tilter, to snap out and snap in. But you've just seen how it's done. And once you master that, it should take no more than 10 minutes. You'll be good to go. And that is how we replace the tilter at our lectern that we sell at lightweightpodium.com.